Understanding ranked play in gaming and online contexts. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's quite popular in the gaming world: ranked play. Whether you're a gamer, interested in online gaming culture, or just curious about English phrases, this video will help you understand what ranked play means and how it's used. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: ranked and play. Ranked refers to a system where players are ordered or classified based on their skill level or achievements. Play simply means to engage in a game or activity for enjoyment. When we put these together, ranked play is a form of gaming where players compete in a structured environment that ranks them based on their performance. In ranked play, players are usually matched with or against others who have a similar skill level. This is determined by winning or losing games. Your rank can go up or down. Earning points or scores. These are based on your performance in the game. This system creates a competitive atmosphere and provides players with a way to measure their progress and skill. For many players, ranked play is more than just playing a game. It's about challenge and improvement. Players are motivated to improve their skills to climb higher in the rankings. Recognition and status. Achieving a high rank can be a source of pride and recognition in the gaming community. Competitive spirit. It fosters a competitive environment, which can be thrilling and rewarding. While ranked play is predominantly a gaming term, the concept can be applied elsewhere, such as in sports or online competitions where ranking systems are used to determine skill levels or achievements. I hope this explanation clears up what ranked play means and why it's significant in gaming and beyond. Remember, it's all about structured competition and measuring skill through rankings. Whether you're a gamer or not, understanding phrases like this can be really interesting and helpful. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video informative.